Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex daily video research. Today we will talk about the euro currency, and because euro has very important moments right now and there are a lot of interesting price action we can expect during the coming week. So today we will take a bit broader look at euro FX. Usually we will talk about daily and 4-hourly charts. Today we also include the weekly time frame for discussing, because it has the crucial detail for the possible price action during the next week. So let's start from the weekly chart. This weekly chart, there are a lot of stuffs on this chart, so let's move gradually step by step through it. First of all, look at this blue lines on this chart. So upper band and lower band. This is the Jordan-Apple estimated predict. It shows us the level of oversold, the lower band, and overbought. That is particularly interesting for us. Level of overbought on the market. Okay, as you remember, during the previous week research we talked about this area of resistance 134.46, and here was another Fibonacci resistance from this high to this low 135.44. I do not have it right now for keeping the chart as clear as possible, but here was the weekly confluence resistance. Also there was an agreement, because this Fibonacci resistance confluence coincides with 618 expansion target from this A, B, C bottom pattern. Also here was the daily overbought level, so I told that I expect that market should bounce from this area. But this hasn't happened. Market just ran through this area without any inspection, like a hot knife through the butter. Well, this is the sign of real strength of the market, and usually when this has happened on the market accelerates directly to 100% expansion from this A, B, C move. So I suppose that on the coming week, in the nearest time, market should reach as far as this area 140.46 area of resistance. Also look at the legs AB and CD. This is just the clone line of AB move. So look at how harmonic they are. The speed of AB and CD move is very similar. So this is very harmonic pattern, very symmetrical pattern, and some traders call this pattern ABCD sell. When this absolutely symmetrical retracement to the upside or move to the upside, where often in D point market can expect some strong resistance area. So this is very good for possible bounce from this area. Okay, this is all that about ABCD pattern and disrespect. Now let's talk about this area of resistance. First of all, as I said, this is the target of this ABCD move 140.46. Also the red small line is monthly pivot resistance 139.94, and 140 level of weekly overbought for coming week. So this really strong resistance area. Also there will be a monthly overbought. If you would like to know a bit more about monthly analysis, you can visit ForexPeaceArmy.com and read the monthly analysis in my forum thread. And I expect that if market will reach this area during the coming week, I expect that it should bounce from this area before it moves. It will move up further. Also very often when market accelerates from 618 to 100% expansion and reaches weekly overbought area, we can expect the deep retracement. So this retracement could be as far as 130 area, about this level. And the second important moment from the weekly chart, this acceleration very often leads market to the 1618 expansion. When market accelerates from 618 to 100 after some retracement, it can be deep retracement. Market very often reaches 1618 expansion. This is 149.48 area. This is a bit long-term perspective, but I think that I have to note and warn you about this possible scenario. Now let's shift it to the daily chart for the short-term possibilities for trading. This is the daily chart of EURUSD. There are two important moments right here. First of all, look at this, the same isolated predictor, how market creeps from the middle of September till now, creeps with overbought level. I should note that the Forex market is the financial market, and financials very seldom stays with overbought or oversold. Market usually hit overbought and retraced, hit and retraced. Usually the commodities can stay at overbought or oversold for a long time, but this is not typical for the financials. Besides, if it happens, and is happening right now, it means that there are real strength buyings on the euro currency right now, because it just holds market with overbought condition. This is the first note on the daily chart. Now let's look at this green line. Green line is a 3x3 moving average. This is the 3-period moving average shifted forward for 3 periods, and I use it for identification of the thrust on the market. So we can see that this thrust is really good. This is very nice thrust, good separation from 3x3, no penetrations of 3x3, and just above the market, as we talked just a couple minutes ago, 130, very strong area of resistance. So we can expect some bounce from this area to the downside. If market will bounce before the reaching of 130.40 target, so we can possess ourselves for short-term buy, like a bread and butter buy. If market will show retracement and will penetrate this green line, we can enter on the buy side from one of the support levels until to the 618 retracement from this high, possible retracement down 618. This will be the bread and butter. Or some of you can possess yourself for the until market will reach 140 target, 140.46 to talk precisely. Okay, so what kind of supports right now on the market? The first nearest support is 136.30 and weekly pivot point 136.45, but I do not intend to use this level for entering, because first of all, if market will reach it in the beginning of the week, it will be above the 3x3. Also we have the daily overbought, so I expect the deep retracement. That's why this level is not very interesting personally for me. I like this level of support. This is the Fibonacci support 135.33, or even this 136.34.76, and weekly pivot support 1 at 135. So the 135.30 area is very interesting for the possible entry on the long side with the bread and butter directional trade, or for possessing till the 140.46 weekly target. Usually when the market retraced after strong up move, it usually retraced to the weekly pivot support 1. This is my preferable area of support. Too deep retracement, for example for 133.28, also is possible, but usually when the market stays between the 618 target and 100% expansion target, it very rare makes deeper retracement, because this 133.28, this is precisely at the 618 expansion target that market has reached already. So now let's talk about the 4-hour chart to estimate will market will retrace in the beginning of the week or not. This is 4-hour chart. It really has very limited information right now, so we can see this long parallel channel. Market just moves inside this channel. Look at this pattern ABC that we talked during the previous week. Market hit 618 retraced, hit 100% retraced. Now just above the market 138, 1618 expansion from this ABC bottom. Well, it's difficult to say will market will bounce from this area when it reach 1618 or not, but personally I will be looking for, besides this is the high end of this body, higher body of this pattern, parallel channel. Okay, so this is difficult to say definitely. Will market bounce from this and will start its daily retracement that we have talked about or not? But this is one of the possibility from this one of the level where market can start this retracement. And if this will happen, for example, market on the Monday hit this area 138 and starts the retracement down, then we can return, sorry, this weekly chart, return to the daily chart, so hit 138, start retracement to the downside, hit 135, we can enter on the long side right here. So this will be one of the possible scenarios to enter on the long side. So that's been said, if you are a long-term trader, wait until market will hit 140.46, then I recommend you to close long positions, because we're at the monthly overbought, we're at weekly overbought, and just below the monthly Fibonacci resistance area. So I expect that market should bounce, and this bouncing can be as deep as 130 area. If you are a short-term trader, wait when market will start retracement, short-term retracement to the downside. It can happen after market has reached 138 area. If it happened before 140.46 area, you can possess yourself from this, for example, level 135.33. This Fibonacci support, weekly pivot support 1 for the bread and butter trade, short-term trade, or you can possess yourself on the long term till 140.46 weekly target.